Hello guys, okay, Halade here. Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever had a soup so stretchy, so rich, and so flavorful that you find yourself licking your fingers before the swallow hits your mouth? Well, today I will show you exactly how to make that soup. It is called Ogbonno and Okra Soup. It is thick and deeply satisfying. If you love both flavors and traditional soups, don't scroll. You will want to see this till the end. Here are the ingredients we will need for this beauty. Ogbono seeds, freshly chopped okra, protein of choice I'm using goat meat, stockfish, ground crayfish, Ponmo. Here's a game changer guys. These are Okpei and Uziza seeds. Palm oil, fresh pepper, seasoning, salt, Uziza leaf. You can also use bitter leaf and smoked Panla. All ingredients and quantities are going to be listed in the description box below. We're going to start by blending our Ogbono seeds with Okpei and Uziza seeds. You see this method of cooking Ogbono here? Don't joke with it. Please, I'm begging you, do not joke with it. Blend it until you achieve a smooth paste. Then pour into a bowl and add melted palm oil. Then slowly stir the Ogbono and palm oil together until they are well incorporated. Then set aside. We're going to start cooking this with flavor. You're going to add your assorted meat and stockfish into a pot. Add seasoning cubes and salt, then stir well and cover and allow to cook for about 4 minutes. Once it's 4 minutes, you're going to open the pot and add water, just enough water to cook the meat until it's tender. Cover and let it boil until tender. You want the stock to be very rich because it's the base of the soup and very, very important. Once your meat is halfway done, we're going to add more smoked Panla, the fish powder, and pepper. And then you're going to stir together very well. Then you cover and let it all boil together until soft. Once the meat is tender, you're going to open the pot and pour the Ogbono mixture in the boiling meat and stock. Then gently and slowly stir the Ogbono with the mixture. The aroma right now, pure magic. You see, this is where people will start peeping into your kitchen. If your neighbors haven't started shouting your name at this point, you're probably not doing the right thing. Anyway, cover and allow it to cook for 7 to 10 minutes. Then occasionally shash so it doesn't burn. Then you're going to stir in your fresh okra. I like mine crunchy for a bit of texture. You can grate if you prefer it smoother. This is how I like mine. Let this cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Please don't overcook at this point. We want the okra to be vibrant and slightly crunchy. Finally, you're going to add Uziza leaf to the soup. This is actually optional, but you can also use ugu leaves or bitter leaf if you want to add leaves to your Ogbono soup, and you can choose to leave them out completely. Stir very well and simmer on low heat for 2 minutes so that the Uziza leaves flavor can incorporate well into the soup. Hey, look at that stretch. Look at that color. This is how you make classic Ogbono and okra soup. Thick, savory, and perfect with fufu, eba, semo, or pounded yam. You see this soup, eh? This soup, this soup is that soup that hugs your soul. Hmm. If this video made your mouth water, please go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe for more delicious Nigerian recipes every week. And tell me in the comments, are you team Ogbono or team Egusi or team Afang? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching as always. I will see you in the next video.